Wow, another YouTube video after like what, 2 months? Sick.
Amen, brother.
Alright, if you watch my videos, you probably noticed there's a slight change in scenery. Got my Z flag, my Budweiser flag, which I didn't have up before. I moved into a new place with a couple of roommates closer to the school that I go to, and it has a 2-car garage, which is really, really sick. But yeah, that's kind of why I haven't been posting, or like, especially even on TikTok, like I just did not have the time to, because I was going through all this, organizing everything, setting up everything, and it was a process. But hopefully now that I kind of have my own space to work on things, work on my car, hopefully I can make some more YouTube videos if I just come up with semi-decent ideas for YouTube videos. Which, by the way, if you have any stuff that you want to see me do to my car, with the car, or really anything pertaining to cars, just drop a comment, please, because I can't really think of anything too great, because I don't want to post this video where it's like, girlfriend tries to drive my car. Like, yeah, that's like entertaining, but like, I don't know. I don't want to follow the typical like automotive YouTube like creator type deal, I guess. But anyway, I'm about to give y'all a tour of the place. Alright, so this is my room. It's pretty fucking messy right now. There's me, because I've just been going a million miles an hour. So yeah, just got my bed in here, some drawers, lights, Z flag, got some more posters up here, just posters I've been collecting over time that I've saved up. Got the 911, RWB, Evo, H6. That's really all about the car stuff that I have in here. But I got my desk, got my Xbox, PC, and really that's really all about it. I do have the tiniest room in the house, so like I'm working with limited space here. Also, like, I just really don't care about having a whole lot of space in my room, because I don't use it other than working on my computer and going to sleep. So yeah, I'm gonna take y'all to the garage. Now we open this little door up. Boom. You can see S14's chilling here right now. Let's turn this on. So it's a 2-car garage, not too bad. There's all of our trash because we haven't been able to set up a trash company to come pick it up. So it's looking a little hectic in here right now. Got a lawnmower, all that good stuff, because I gotta do that shit now. Adam just dropped off my Rams for me so I can actually work on my car now. So that's sick. This is an old tire that I took from Formula Drift Atlanta like a couple years ago. It was just sitting at my old house, so I had to take it out. So I think I want to like cut some glass and like put it as a tabletop on top of the tire, and then like have like a sofa and the tire with some glass on it, and then a workbench right there. And then like I want to do some string lights, all that good stuff, and then throw a few flags up there to kind of spice up the area. But got this test pipe. I'm thinking about throwing it on today because I kind of have the time. I have homework, but whatever. I also really badly need to do an oil change on this because I've been driving the hell out of it. Also, if you live in North Georgia and you know someone that can reseal 3-piece wheels, please let me know, because these things literally leak air so much, and it's annoying having to go to Quick Trip every single day of my life and filling them up with air. So yeah. I also got these. I found these random LED glow lights that I think I bought when I had the Z. I just think I just never installed them in the rear. So I'm gonna buy a fuse that these can piggyback off of and install them on the car, even though a lot of people think interior lights are racy, but I don't think so. Got a random head unit right there. I think we might install that in Brandon's car. If y'all didn't know, well, you probably don't know, Brandon is one of my roommates, and he's slowly been getting into cars lately, so I'm trying to push him to get more into it and slam his BMW. He has a 540i, I want to say. So the 5 Series that came with the V8, which is pretty gnarly. actually, what we're gonna be doing soon is I have some ISR blast pipes, but I recently got a Megan Racing cat back that's like all complete, because the ISR blast pipes didn't come with a mid pipe, because I got them for free from my buddy Jim. Shout out Jim Earl on Instagram, cool guy, sick S14. But yeah, I don't need these anymore, so I think we're gonna cut the tips off and put it on his BMW, because I think they look good, and I think muffler delete wouldn't sound bad on his car, especially with a V8. My tools right now, kind of in disarray. Got the golf clubs, because you know we'd be going yard on these fucking kids all day, every day. This is my Bill Clinton cardboard cutout. I threw him in here early this morning because the internet guys came and I didn't want them to think I was a weirdo. So what I think I'm gonna do right now is I gotta go get oil. So I think I'm gonna go do that real quick and then come back, do an oil change. And also, I hit a possum the other night, like a week ago, and there's a plastic kind of tray underneath. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold up, let me try. I don't know. It's very little ground. It fucking scrapes everywhere. It's annoying. I need to take care of it. I also gotta figure that out. So yeah, I'm probably gonna run to, I was gonna real quick pick up some oil for this Johnny, and then come back, do an oil change, install the test pipe, and see how it sounds. I'm not gonna install the Megan Racing exhaust yet, because I don't have the gaskets for it, and I don't know how to make gaskets. So if you know how to make gaskets, it's probably too late. I probably already figured it out. So. It's gonna rain. Alright, so the car's up on the ramps. I just blew it off because it was wet, and I don't like wet shit in my garage. But it's still pretty hot right now, so I'm just gonna chill out, let it cool down, and then figure this shit out. I'm back. Got this thing up on a ramp. It's cooled down. I'm gonna do an oil change on it. And I discovered I hit a possum, and it messed up the plastic lining, so there's like this piece is just all messed up. So I think I'm just gonna cut, oh, you can't even see it. I think I'm just gonna cut this portion off of the plastic lining, because it's literally only held on by one bolt, and it's blocking the drain bolt for the oil pan, so might as well. It was a fucking, like, a part of the wiring harness. I don't know if that's a snake or what, but I just grabbed it by. What the fuck is that? What the oh wait, no, that's, okay, never mind. I gotta fucking yank that out. What the fuck? So I'm borrowing my friend Sarah's car, because I gotta go pick up an oil filter wrench, because the asshole before me decided to make that shit tight as fuck. So yeah, that's about it. I finished the oil change on the 240. Adam came over after I spent $20 on a fucking oil filter tool, because I thought it was too snug on there, and he just gripped it up, because apparently he's got that Gorilla Grip hands. And I spent $20 for nothing. But that's about it for this video. Also, I found out that I ordered the wrong part to replace the cat with, so I have to spend more money on bullshit that I don't want to spend. And then there's gonna be an exhaust video soon, because this bitch is about to be loud. Alright, peace.